let's see what will be the outcome ng decoration. Hey! Finally, tapos ko na i-decorate yung classroom ko. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ginawa ko sa classroom ko. Let's go! Hello! So, kami ay pupunta ng barbershop, hair salon sa K-Studio. K-Studio ba yun? Studio K-Salon sa Kari para ako yung magpa-haircut kasi 1 week lang, back to work na. So, 2 months din akong hindi nakapag-haircut kasi napakamahal dito. So, nagtitipid din tayo paminsan-minsan. So, samahan niyo ako pa-haircut. So, this is the before. Yan, before. Tingnan natin kung ano mamaya yung after. But of course, parang wala na naman yung difference mamaya. So, here's the Studio K Salon.
Yes, I was trying to do that. That's what I was. How to see that? Wait, what?
How was it? Jaran! So ito na yung hair natin na napaka-short. Ayan. So ano masasabi niya? May pabangs akong ano. Yan. Bagay ba? $42 yung binayad ko dito. 42 ba? 35 plus mga 47 siguro, ewan ko. I forgot.
35 plus, how much?
35 plus 5. Kila to ba?
48.
Magkano kaya doon? 47 o 43 yata yung binayaran ko. Dollars. So ano masasabi niyo sa bago kong haircut? Yan. Do I look younger? Sabi ni Mommy. Yung kita ka.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are, mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow, mysterious. That's the part you always show.
So, it's time for lunch. So, dumating ako dito sa school kanina around 8:20 and then kinuha ko yung t-shirt ko sa office. Yan, ibang t-shirt yung kanina suot ko. T-shirt yun from last year sa county namin. And then, kakatapos lang namin ng parang convocation for an hour. And then we did our PD for 1.5 hour. And then this is our lunch time until 1:30. So re-resume ang PD namin at 1:30 until 4. So kain tayo ng pasta. And then yung kaninang breakfast hindi ko kinain. So after kung kumain, ako ay mag-try ng mag-set up ng classroom ko. Yan, yung TV, whiteboard. So ito transfer ko yung table ko dun. From here, yan, may lumang TV dyan sa taas. So gusto ko yung table ko na sa likod, and then gagamitin ko na lang itong table na to para sa harap, and then may maliit doon na desk. So ilalagay ko din doon sa likod, pang lagay lang ng ng bag ko. Ayan, pretty much. So dyan nagprint na ako ng ilalagay ko. Since I'm teaching to subjects, so lagyan ko na din ng social studies, doon yung ELA. So let's see what will be the outcome sang decoration or sang magagawa ko dito sa classroom. Let's see. Kaya muna ako. So for now, na-move ko na yung desk ko. So dito na siya. Yan, dito na siya. And then nasa middle na yung desk or table na yan. And then nakapag-ayos na ako ng type paano dito. Yung novel books, dictionary, and then ilalagay ko sa mga boxes yung mga basura na naiwan ng nagmamayari ng classroom nito noon. So for now, yan lang muna kasi 1:22 na. At 1:30, so we will resume our PD. So bukas na naman ulit siguro ako maglilinis at magde-decorate. So that's it for now. Good morning! So today is Wednesday at hindi ako nakapag-update sa inyo yesterday kasi medyo busy. So pagdating ko kahapon dito is picture kami agad for the website. So after that, nag-breakfast for like 15 minutes and then nag-start na yung in-school PD namin. So, yun lang naman yung nangyari kahapon. So, nag-picture, nag-in-school PD from like 9 to 4. And, yeah, it was fun. Kasi may mga, challenges or games na ibinigay. And then, yeah, I enjoyed some of those games or challenges na prepare ng admin. So, nagdala ko ng, purified water. So, nakalimutan kong ilagay sa desk ko kahapon. So, nagdala yung bag ko kahapon at this morning. So, today, later this afternoon at 4 to 7, we will have our open house at hindi pa ako nakapag-decorate ng classroom ko. So, kailangan kong gawin yan today. Kahit pa paano. So, nag-print at ako kagabi ng mga posters na pangdidikit ko, and then I asked my wife to cut them out. So shout out to my wife for helping me and to my baby. Thank you so much. And then before ako magdikit at mag-design or decorate ng classroom ko, so I will print my brochure for this afternoon para sa open house, para meron akong maibibigay sa parents. Yan. Pagdating nila dito. So, simple lang naman to. So, mga classroom expectations, school-wide expectations, and my subject, ELA and social studies expectations. So, kahapon, nag-umpisa na ako mag-decorate ng classroom ko at yun, tingnan nyo, yun pa lang yung natapos ko. Sabi ng mga iba kong Pinoy na kasama, cross daw. Masyado daw akong religious. Masyado silang ano ha. Hindi ko na-realize ko lang din. Tapos yung librong na nilagay ko dito. Yan. So bago daw mabasa ng mga estudyante, so kailangan daw nilang mag-lean towards right yung ulo nila. Kailangan nilang ganito para mabasa yung mga titles, mga visit talaga, mga Pinoy. Yan. So naglaglagan na ngayong iba. So mamaya na yan natin na mamaya na yan natin ayusin. Magpiprint muna ako. Habang wala pa masyadong tao, teachers dito. Kasi nga, ma-occupy na naman yung printer mamaya. So, habang available pa, so gamitin na natin. Dahil supposedly, we will be here at 10 to 7. But since I need the flex time to cover my absence on Friday, kasi it's an optional day, so we don't have to be here. So we have an option to be here or not to be here. So if you have a flex time to be used, so you can use that. If you don't have it, so you can use your annual leave, personal leave, or your sick leave. So I'll be using my flex time on Friday. So let's go. Let's print. Tingnan nyo yung school. Yan. So, ito yung appear natin. And then, let's find our name here. Yan. And then yung password. Ang password is the telephone number namin. Yan. And then, magsascan na tayo. Wait a minute. So, hindi nakikita yung text, yung title sa taas. So, i-reprint muna natin. So, kinuha ko yung MacBook sa classroom. So, i-reprint muna natin yung brochure. So, nakikita na yung title. So, let's see. Kakapag-print ako kasi hindi ko pa na-try ito last time. It's room 1117. Let's go see room 1117. 162. Ay, so hindi makapag-print. So mamaya na ako mag-print kasi I already wasted 35 minutes of my time. So na magde-decorate na tayo. Let's go. So far for an hour. So yun na yung natatapos ko. Yan. So this wall is for social studies. So yan yung mga units ng 6th grade social studies, and then social studies we learn about, and then nilagyan ko lang ng US states and then continents. So lalagyan ko na lang dito siguro ng words na US states, and then okay na yan, okay na to. And then, siguro dito, lagyan ko na lang ng expectations for school-wide, classroom, and then ELA and social studies expectation. And then, over there, so let's see kung ano na lang malalagyan, kung ano mailalagay natin dyan, or just leave it empty over there. So, depende sa sipag natin kasi hanggang bukas lang tayo may time para mag-decorate. So, kung sisipagan tayo, so gagawin natin. And for this wall is for ELA or for reading. So, let's get started. So, gawin na natin yung this wall naman. Okay. So, natapos ko na yung part na dyan after an hour and 30 minutes yata. So, yung ELA and then parang ano lang sentence na cool kids, read books. And then yung mga poster dito about 6 figures of speech, 8 parts of speech, commonly confused words and other ways to say. And then dito yung reading strategies, dito yung writing strategy, 5-paragraph essay, when to use commas, and punctuation. So, ito yung ELA corner ko. Yan. Next na gagawin natin is lagyan natin ng lesson and structure framework, yung whiteboard natin, at yung chumps. Nasaan na yun? Ito. Yan yung ginawa ng asawa ko kagabi. Ito. So, lalagyan natin. So, lilinisan muna natin yung whiteboard, and then after that, so it's time for lunch. So, yung kakainin ko lunch is yung pansit na niluto ng asawa ko kagabi. Good morning! It's day 4. So, kahapon natapos yung open house at 7 at nakauwi na ako ng around 7:40. So, yung natapos ko kahapon, ito. So, ang side na yan, yung ELA corner. Of course, yung social studies corner. And then, yung yung mga saying ko sa taas, say something. Yan. And then, sa kabila, progress first, perfection later. So, yun yung mga ginamit ko din last year. So, ni-reuse ko lang. Ito yung rules for using Chromebook. So, naglagay ako dito ng lesson framework for ELA and social studies. So, we have the standard, learning target, I do, we do, and you do. And then, I saw this one from the internet, I think YouTube, Facebook. So I use the champs. So we have conversation, help, activity, movement, participation. So success for all. And then we have dyan yung classroom expectations. So yung mga libro. So ako ngayon ay maglilinis ng mga gamit ng dating may-ari nito. So, lilinisan natin yan mamaya. Ayan. So, mayroon yung jacket ko kahapon. Ayan. So, may mirror na maliit dito. And then, yan pala sa likod ng desk ko. So, nilagyan ko dyan ng saying din, be the reason someone smiles today. And then we have the students' achievement. We have the classroom rules here. So one day pa lang nare-remove na yung mga dikit. Yan. So mayroon pa yung mga boxes doon na kailangan kong ayusin. Yun. Yan lang for now. So ako yung mag-apply muna ng flex time para magamit ko bukas. Kasi tomorrow is just an optional work day. So we can use our flex time kung meron kaming flex time hours. Kung wala, so annual leave. Kung walang annual leave, so we can use our sick leave or personal leave. So, for today, work na naman tayo. And then tomorrow, so we can rest. So, today is the last day, is my last day for this week. And next Monday is the first day of school for the students. See ya! Hey! Finally, tapos ko na i-decorate yung classroom ko. And I'm ready for the first day of school sa Monday. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ginawa ko sa classroom ko. Let's go! So, dito, sa taas ng ng door. So, naglagay ako ng 3 saying dyan. And then, so dito sa board, yan, yung chams, and then yung calendar, and then may saying dyan na, see something, say something. And then dito yung lesson framework. And then may saying dyan na progress first, perfection later. And then nilagyan ko dito ng parang bag dyan para sa mga post-it na na activities sa estudyante ko. Ito yung poster for rules for using Chromebook, yan yung part. And then dito yung social studies corner. So pretty much ito yung units ng 6th grade from unit 1 to unit 4 for the whole school year. And then naglagay lang ako niyan ng parang general lesson for the social studies. Then meron ditong US map. And then yan yung mga state na known sila. And then ito yung continents. Okay? And then dyan sa likod ng desk ko, so naglagay din ako ng dalawang another saying, and then sa middle niya, so yung main saying, yan yung classroom rules, dyan yung students achievement, and then maglalagay ako dyan ng schedule, class schedule. So yan yung desk ko. And then dito naman is the ELA section. So yan yung mga poster, commonly confused words, 6 figures of speech, 8 parts of speech, and then other ways to say. Yan yung reading strategies. And then dito, it's about writing, essay writing, writing strategy, how to use commas, and punctuation. Pretty much, yun lang lahat. Yan. Yan. So ready for 13. So yung iba, yung ibang kasamahan ko umuwi na siguro. So ako uuwi na din. So good luck sa mga magsa-start na din yung school year dito sa US next week. So hopefully we can survive another school year. So good luck and God bless. Bye-bye.
Bawat bata